when in a country a believer or believers are martyred, what signal or indication does that hold for the future of that country or nation?
In which country?
In a country.
The people are martyred.
If in a country a believer or believers are martyred, what indication does that have for the future of that country?
Wrath of Allah, of course. Like Sayyidina Abdul Latif Shaheed was martyred. The holier the person is who is martyred, the greater is the wrath of Allah against the people who martyr him. So Afghanistan is still suffering because they martyred Hazrat Sayyidina Abdul Latif Shaheed. And this will continue for quite a long time now. The hearts are not changed, still stony-hearted people. So the punishment will continue.